Let's dive right into the active promo codes for Roll Anime this May 2026.
Are you totally sick of grinding and endlessly rolling for your favorite anime units? Same! Well, these codes skip the grind, giving you double luck, stock bonuses, and powerful units instantly.
Check out these rewards. Grab instant value, like using the code WELCOME for a free Luffy unit.
Quick heads up, guys. These codes are case sensitive and can randomly expire without any warning at all. To play it safe, literally just copy and paste them exactly as shown so you don't miss out. All right, ready to claim your loot? Here are the 5 super simple steps to redeem them. First up, just launch Roll Anime on Roblox and let it fully load up. Next, head to the shops area. Look for the free reward stand right by the market stalls. See the character standing right next to that stand, click them to pop open your redemption box. Paste your code, hit verify, and boom, your free reward instantly drops into your inventory. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Definitely join the official Roll Anime Discord for the newest drops.